my dear students, how are you all? Today's subject is nature study, orals, and our topic is common flowers. So this chapter we are going to learn the name of the flowers. This is lotus and this is our national flower. This is rose. Rose smells sweet. This is sunflower. Sunflower faces the sun. This is dahlia. And this is jasmine. This is daffodil. This is iris. This is marigold. This is tulip. This is lily. So now children, we are going to learn some question answers. Name 5 flowers. So rose, lotus, lily, marigold, sunflower. You can learn any flower names. The next question is, which is our national flower? So lotus is our national flower. Now children, we'll do some exercises. So take out your book, My Little World, and page number 8. Yes, this is pencil shaving art. What we have to do? Make flowers with pencil shavings and paste them below. So you have to shave your pencil and like this. This will come out. So you have to make a flower with this and stick here like ma'am has done. Then take a green color and make a stem and leaf. Alright. Paste your pencil shaving here. Then take a green color and draw a stem and a leaf like this. Yes. Then see, look here. This is circle the same flower in each row. We have to circle the same flower in each row. So we have to see these flowers. Now which flower is this? This is lotus. Now we have to find where the lotus is. This is lotus, so we have to circle it. If here it is lotus, we have to find the lotus and then circle. Now see what is this? This is rose. Now we have to find the rose and circle it. So where is rose? Yes, here it is. So circle rose because we have to circle the same flower. Yes. Now, which flower is this? This is marigold. Now we have to find marigold and circle that. This is marigold and we have to circle this. Yes, very good. So this page is your homework. You have to do this in your... Now, come on page number 9. This is color the flower. Children, you have to color this flower. Alright, so this is your homework. Okay children, bye bye.